Good morning. How are you guys doing today? As always, I miss you and I can't wait to see you. I got to see a lot of you on Monday at the drive-through, so that was nice. Sorry, I hope you're staying safe. I wanted to go over 2 activities for today that are in Seesaw. You have 3 activities today. We've got our 2 in Seesaw, and then we've got our 1 Zoom at 10:30 this morning. Okay, so be prepared for that. Be prepared for some learning. We're going to do another scavenger hunt, so make sure that you're able to get up and go around to find things that I ask you for. I will also be sending the video links for these 2 lessons. Make sure you are watching all of my videos, kids. I am putting them all in Seesaw as well under your inbox. So they're sent as messages to you and your families every morning. So you have access to them. You're the ones that should be watching them because they are meant for you. Okay, so your STEM activity today, you notice it just says complete all activities within yellow and orange star. So no pink star on our STEM activities today. And that's because instead of our problem of the day, we have an optional STEM challenge for you included in today's activity. So I'm going to move my video down here out of the way. So you'll see here we are multiplying and dividing within 100 using strategies such as the relationship between multiplication and division or properties of operations. Okay, so here as usual, your yellow star is your daily math review. It says complete practice page 12. So right here, practice page 12. Okay, and then we get onto our orange star and demonstrating a variety of using a variety of problems, and this says complete questions 1 through 7. Okay, so right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, notice that this word right here, number 2, says describe. So describing means that I'm going to see words. I'm going to see typing. Okay, not just like a number. So describe how you can find 0 divided by 1. Okay, and then here's your optional, you'll be plan and create and design a lookout tower to meet requirements. So read through this STEM challenge to build a lookout tower. Okay, so some suggested materials are down here. Okay, so raw spaghetti noodles, marshmallows, masking tape. I think that's string, measuring tape, ruler. Okay, and then here's your planning page that comes after it. Okay, and then here is your language support. Okay, so finding, using words like quotient and dividing by number and dividing by 0. Okay, so make sure that you look at this to help you with these activities, especially this page right here. I'm going to go into your humanities activity. We're continuing with rocks and fossils. And even though STEM had only yellow and orange, your humanities activity does have yellow, orange, and pink stars today. So 3 activities that I need you to do in your humanities. The yellow one, the first one, goes along with reading and practicing fluency. Right here, so it says, if you have a family member available, read to them or have them read to you. You could also read to a teddy bear or a pet to practice your reading fluency. You can also, when you're on this page, if you want, pick one of these pages, pick a section. You can make a note of where you're starting for me and record yourself reading using this button right here. Okay, so it's going to pull up and it's going to start recording me. So I can use my cursor here and say, dinosaurs began to appear in books during the mid-1800s. Today, some museums feature exhibits of dinosaurs. Dinosaur robots that move and make noises are made of steel and latex. They are shown throughout the world at theme parks and at museums. And that's it, just a quick little section. Pick a paragraph if you want to and send that to me. And it only does it on this page. So every other page is just fine still. Okay, and then moving on to your orange, your task number 2, read and write about what it might have been like to live in a time where dinosaurs were not extinct. Okay, so I want you to think about what life would have been like. What would your life be right now if we still had dinosaurs roaming around? Okay, so use your imagination, but also think about what you've learned. Because you can picture a world with dinosaurs. You can use what you know from movies, from other things you've read, and from what you read here. Okay, and right here, this is where you want to create a title for it. Just make a little story. And then your pink is, of course, your DLR for the day. Okay, here are your supports. So again, words like fossil, reptile, exhibit, continents, dinosaurs, and scientists. Okay, so here's picture supports as well as definitions for you for these words. Remember, you can always access those videos during the view instructions button up here, and it will read the text to you. Okay, I really look forward to seeing a bunch of you guys at 10:30 this morning. I'm going to open it up a little bit ahead of time, maybe about 10:20. So if you get there a little bit early, if you get there before I am, it'll just put you in a waiting room and I'll admit you when I get signed in. Okay, be on time. Make sure you are clear of distractions for a Zoom meeting. Do not be distracted by your phone or video games or toys that you have. So I will see you guys later. Bye, you guys.